Boomi Dell Automation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think business automation is complicated and expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when you try Boomi by Dell. Boomi is a cloud-based integration and automation platform that connects applications, data, and workflows across an organization. It allows businesses to automate processes, synchronize data, and improve operational efficiency without heavy IT overhead. The surprising truth about Boomi is its low-code approach. You don't need to be a developer to build integrations or automation workflows. Drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built connectors, and templates make it accessible for business analysts and IT teams alike. Most people get this wrong. They assume enterprise automation is only for large corporations. Boomi scales from small teams to global enterprises, providing real-time data integration, API management, and process automation to meet diverse needs. The platform is best for companies looking to streamline operations, reduce manual work, and connect cloud and on-premise systems seamlessly. It's particularly useful for finance, marketing, and operations teams who want fast, reliable automation. The surprising truth is that Boomi combines flexibility, scalability, and ease of use, enabling businesses to save time, reduce errors, and focus on growth instead of repetitive tasks. Subscribe for more honest automation and software reviews to help your business work smarter and faster.